This exercise we're going to do today is all about stimulating those little tiny stabilizer muscles we have in our hips and our glutes. The reason we want to do this is it's going to help take the pressure off all the muscles in the low back that work so hard to hold us up with our posture, okay? So the more we get our glutes working, the less the low back has to work. Let me show you. This is the start position. So you're gonna sit in this position, if you can, if your knees allow, in this position to start. And I'll just show you from the side view. So what I want you to do is you're gonna push into your knees, and then you're gonna make sure your shoulder blades are down and together. You've got a nice natural curve in your lower back, and you're just gonna push into your knees and lift the hips up, and then really reach out with the bum as you come down. And the slower you go, you're really gonna feel it in your glutes, especially this one, your left one if you're in this position. So let's do it again. I can go up really slowly, push into my knees, and slowly really reach out with my bum as I sit down. Keeping in mind, I don't wanna do this, and also I don't wanna just go so fast that I'm only using momentum, okay? So the slower the better, especially if you wanna get even more bang for your buck. If you go down, reaching that bum out and go slow, you're doing something called eccentric contraction on your glutes, these muscles. So you're slowly, it's like when you do a bicep curl and this would be eccentrically, if you went really slow, lowering a heavy load. And we can take more in this direction than we can in this direction. That's not really that necessary for you to know all of that, but if you go slowly down from this exercise, the slower you go and really reach out that bum, you are going to get more bang for your buck for those little muscles in your hips. And like I said, the more those stabilizing muscles are helping us, the less the muscles in the lower back have to work, which is really, really helpful for anyone who has back pain, low back pain, or wants to prevent that, or has some hip issues. If you can do this exercise in a pain-free manner, it is for you. It's great to add into your warm-up or your cool down routine. I would actually really love it. It would be great to do before you were doing a set of squats or something like that, because squats, you really want to stimulate your glutes helping. You don't want your quads taking over in a squat, those types of things. So I highly recommend to add this into your routine, maybe 5 a side. You don't have to do a lot of them if you do them really precisely with awareness and quite slowly. Okay, so let me know how it goes in the comments below. Would love to hear. Maybe 5 each side in your warm-up to really help enhance that working of the glutes and the hips, help support the low back so it doesn't have to work as hard. All right, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.